There is a lot of noise around the AOC QHD Gaming Monitor 0.3 milliseconds right now. Here is my honest take. You know what really gets under people's skin when it comes to gaming monitors? It's not just the graphics, it's about the experience. And that's exactly what this beauty brings to the table. Let me tell you, 3 features stand out for a reason. Quad HD resolution on a 27-inch IPS panel is like looking at a work of art. It's stunning detail and vibrant color right in front of your eyes. You're not just watching games, you're part of them. The 240Hz refresh rate and 0.3 milliseconds MPRT take competitive gaming to the next level, making every move feel buttery smooth and responsive. And with adaptive sync technology, you get fluid performance that lasts all game long. So who needs this monitor? Well, let me tell you, if you're serious about your gaming, you need it. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, the AOC QHD Gaming Monitor 0.3 milliseconds is the real deal. It's like having a superpower in front of your screen. Now, here's where things can get frustrating. Sometimes, manufacturers skimp on things that matter most, like picture quality or ergonomic design. I wish they had included more customization options, to be honest. But let's not sugarcoat it. The wins far outweigh any minor complaints. You want a gaming monitor that will take your game to the next level? This is it. You're not just buying a screen, you're buying an experience. And trust me, once you go AOC QHD Gaming Monitor 0.3 milliseconds, you'll never look back. This thing makes all other monitors look dull and lifeless in comparison. If you want the best, you can't skimp on this. So what are you waiting for? If you're tired of mediocre gaming experiences, it's time to step up your game with the AOC QHD Gaming Monitor 0.3 milliseconds. Subscribe if you want someone to do the research so you don't have to, and you'll find the link in the description. See you next week.